Hi, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to design your seating chart. Once you have uploaded your floor plan image, you're ready to design your seating chart. All of the available table and seat options are listed on the right-hand side of the Tables and Seats page. Click on a table, row, or focal point to drag and drop it onto the seating map. Clicking into the table allows you to customize it as you require. The table label field is used when seating your guests automatically via the guest list spreadsheet import, so make sure that every table label is unique across the floor plan. Create a table name that will be visible on the mobile app and when you print your seating chart. This field can also be used to seat guests automatically. Use the minus and plus icons from the Seats section to add or remove seats from that table. When working with rectangular tables, you are able to choose a different number of seats on all four sides. In order to increase the number of seats symmetrically on each side, keep the seat sections locked. To enable asymmetric seating arrangements, click on the lock icon in the Seats section to unlock the ability to increase seat numbers independently from each other. If you need to block guests from being seated on certain seats, you can enable the Block Seats function by turning the toggle on and defining which seats to block. The rotation toggle can be used to rotate the selected table in order to position it as you wish. Click on More options to add the starting seat number, the sequence of seats, and the direction of the seats for that specific table. While you can only add one table per time, it is typically easiest to set up one table with all specifications and then create duplicates of that table by clicking on the duplicate icon. Keep in mind that you will need to adjust the table label and name of each duplicate, since the settings remain the same as the original. However, this duplicating process will make the creation of tables with the same dimensions much easier and more efficient. You are also able to select multiple tables and move them across your seating map using this icon right beneath the zoom buttons. When using rows instead of tables, the best way to set this up is to create a single row for each entry, as this will allow you to associate a number or letter for each row going across. If you have any further questions, please email our team at support@zkipster.com. Thank you for watching.